table, everybody came through, and with our 4 problems, we stopped, we visualized, we painted that picture, or we pretended like we were making a movie in our head with what was happening in the problem. That's what we're going to stop and make sure every single problem that we read, that you're going to stop first before you say, oh, I need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide, that you're stopping. You're visualizing, you're painting that picture, or making a movie. Yesterday, one of the groups said that they liked to think of it most about they were painting the picture. Then the other group right after them said, oh no, I like it when I'm pretending like I'm making a movie, I'm making a scene or a skit in my head. We talked before about everybody's going to work a problem a little bit different ways. You may like to make a part-whole map. Sarah may like to go make a strip diagram. And Zion, she may say, oh no, I just like to draw a picture, draw my group stuff pictures, okay? So just how you're gonna work it different ways, you're also gonna visualize it different ways in your head. You can pretend like someone's acting it out, you can make it into a movie scene. But whatever you do, right after you read the problem, that is the very first thing you're going to do, okay? I have a problem today. We've just been doing one step. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We've done all 4 operations at this point. Today, just like I said earlier in the week, we're going to get to where we have to do 2 operations, 2-step problems, okay? So what we're going to do today is I have a question, I have a problem that we're going to act out. We're going to use our bodies, we're going to make like a little skit with it to help us with our visualizing of the problem, with what's going on, what is happening, okay? So, we're going, if you will scoot back just a little bit, mute. No, like back to the table. Markel, up this way a little bit.
Okay.
After you get your Kleenex, this way. Okay, Jameson, right here. So don't go past the table. To keep it, if you'll move right here. Because we just want to have enough room to show the problem. Okay, so here's our problem that we're going to focus on today. And we're going to have this problem that we're going to act out. Okay, and as you're reading it, you can also visualize in your head. You can also visualize in your head what is happening, what is going on. Because if you're painting that picture, if you're making that movie film in your head, as you're reading it, that is showing you're understanding what is going on in the problem, okay? Because first we're going to paint the picture, and then we're going to really focus in on the problem. We've been writing our problems in our own words so that you're showing that you understand what it is asking you to do, what you're solving for, okay? Would anyone like to read our problem we're going to work on today? Keon.
A farmer planted 4 rows of carrots. He placed 8 carrots in his row. A rabbit came and ate 15 carrots. How many carrots does the farmer have now?
Okay, so we're going to visualize, just like in reading, as you're reading your passages, or even your independent book when you have independent reading or at home, as you're reading your chapters, reading your sentences, putting it all together, you're picturing in your mind what is happening in this story. That's the same thing that you're going to do with any type of math problem. You've got to focus on what's going on, what's happening. Yesterday at teacher table, I said you always want to think about who do you have, what are they doing, what's going on, those questioning items so that you can really focus on the problem with picturing what's going on. So I need some volunteers to come act out, to come show us what is going on. I'm going to pick 4 people, and I'm going to let you 4 people come over here and make a plan to show me how to act this out. And then I'm going to have another 4 people, so boys, I'm going to need some volunteers because we're going to have 2 groups.
I'll do it.
We're going to have 2 groups to show it, because do you think they're going to have the exact same picture representation? No, it is going to be different. Okay. Okay, so we'll have Jordan and Elena over here. We'll have Ethan, you can come over here. Come join these two girls. And then Wally. Well, we need two. I need 4 over here and 4 over here. We actually may do. I may have all. And then Zion, you can come here. There we go. Okay, and you guys are going to be my audience right now. So William. I'm sorry, Marco. Come over here. Okay, you're going to come up with the plan. You're going to come up with your plan. Just how, hey, my performers, listen. Just how you come up with a plan, like when you were doing the water cycle dance. Hold on, listen. Just how we've done the water cycle dance, making a solid, liquid, and gas. You're coming up with a plan. You're coming up with a plan on how you want to show this word problem. Okay, so you're going to talk as your group and plan it, but you got to make sure you're showing everything that's happening. Markel, will you go get me 4 dry erase boards? Will you go get me 4 dry erase markers?
No, expo marker. And the next one. Don't get high on it. No, the key that whenever we use your
4 and 4, thank you.
That's fine.
I'm going to give you 2 tools if you need to write to show maybe the number of carrots or something, whatever you think you need, or if you need to make a label.
Oh, we can do it like this.
I'm going to give you 2 tools. I'm going to give you 2 dry erase
The
boards.
former can go like this. The former can get us like this. Maybe put the fork up and then like people. No, she can be the one. I'll stand in front of her. I know the dog here. Here, guys.
Now you guys, you're going to have to, your job during this is as they're performing, you're going to go through and see if they are really doing and showing each part. So what are the things they're going to have to make sure that they're showing for this problem? 4 rows, okay. The 15 carrots. What else are they going to have to show? So what's the big thing that's happening? What's the rabbit? What is the rabbit going to do? So there's the 15. What's happening to those 15 carrots? They're eating. What happens to those carrots? Do they still have them? They're gone. So y'all are going to look to see what action they're using to show that they're gone, that they're getting eaten. That's what you're going to watch, and you're going to be able to tell what action they're showing to show those carrots. So that's y'all's job, is to watch to see if they're making rows and how many in each row, and if they're showing that they're gone. Okay, so kind of what's our plan here?
Okay, so he's a farmer, and he plants. He's a farmer.
Okay, how many is he planting?
4 first, and then carrots. Row the carrots.
Okay, you want to make sure that you're showing your rows of carrots and
And then I put it in the plants us, and then it's next one to flip. So he's going to become a carrot. And then Daddy's going to come around the tree.
okay, you want to make sure that you're planting. You want to make sure that you're planting 4 rows with 8 in each. You're going to have to know this show. So it's all to make it so far.
Four rows, and then each one, yeah, pour some water, and I walk away for it to go. You three come over.
Okay, so how are you gonna put it for me? Okay, so
So you two are probably gonna be one of my kids, probably.
how many